What is a primary effect of ABA, abscisic acid, on leaves? Abscisic acid, ABA, is a growth inhibitor that promotes senescence by accelerating the degradation of chlorophyll and proteins in leaves. It is often called the stress hormone because it helps plants respond to environmental stressors like drought. ABA inhibits growth rather than inducing new leaf growth, which is a function of auxins or gibberellins. ABA actually promotes leaf fall, abscission, rather than delaying it. ABA leads to the loss of chlorophyll, yellowing, rather than promoting its production. Which type of hydrochloric acid would react faster with granulated zinc, based on the principle of concentration? A2M, to molar, solution has a higher concentration of hydrochloric acid molecules per unit volume, leading to more frequent collisions with the zinc surface. According to the collision theory, increasing the concentration of a reactant directly increases the rate of the chemical reaction. 1M acid is less concentrated than 2M, resulting in fewer collisions and a slower reaction rate. 0.5 m is the lowest concentration provided, which would produce the slowest reaction among all the. What is formic acid's role in honey? Formic acid is naturally present in honey and acts as an antimicrobial agent to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. This natural acidity contributes to the long shelf life of honey, a fact often noted in food chemistry. What reaction occurs when sodium carbonate is added to an acid medium? When sodium carbonate reacts with an acid, it undergoes a neutralization reaction that releases carbon dioxide gas. This release of gas is observed as brisk effervescence, which is a standard qualitative test for the presence of carbonates. What visible phenomenon occurs when ethanoic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate? The reaction between ethanoic acid and sodium bicarbonate produces carbon dioxide gas, which is seen as brisk effervescence. This is a classic acid-base reaction that results in the formation of sodium acetate, water, and CO2. Precipitation involves the formation of an insoluble solid from a solution, which does not occur in this reaction. The reaction between these two substances typically remains colorless and does not involve a distinct pigment change. The products of this reaction are a soluble salt, water, and a gas, so no new solid is formed. Which types of fibers are typically dyed using acid dyes? Acid dyes are water-soluble anionic dyes that have a strong affinity for fibers containing basic groups, such as the protein-based animal fibers wool and silk. They are also used for synthetic fibers like nylon, which poses similar chemical sites for the dye to bond with. Which pollutants dissolve in rainwater to form nitric acid and sulfuric acid? Nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide react with water vapor in the atmosphere to form nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These acids then fall to the ground as acid rain, causing significant environmental damage. What type of fatty acids are essential for human nutrition? Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are considered essential because the human body cannot synthesize them and must obtain them through diet. These polyunsaturated fats play critical roles in brain function, heart health, and inflammatory responses. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.